Looking for really bold colors that work on nearly any surface? These ARTISTRO paint markers might be what you're looking for. I'll go over the pros and cons of these acrylic markers so you can decide if they're right for you. First, you can see for yourself, the colors are bold and the finish is opaque with the very first pass, so it's easy to achieve a pop art look. They are easy to use and really require no skill at all, but are also quite nice quality, even for more experienced artists. One caution though, the colors are not labeled on the marker. My very thorough daughter had to go by a process of elimination to figure out which color was which, and she noted that some don't look much like the color on the box. But this is a fairly universal issue for artists, and many get used to making their own color guides when they get new supplies. Aside from that, these are really high quality markers. My daughter does a lot of micro sculptures, and these are small enough and offer enough precision for beautiful results. She's used them on paper, canvas, plastic, and cause clay, and they turn out great every time. We really like these, and we hope they work well for you too.